how to integrate MailerLite with WooCommerce. So first go to MailerLite and then just click on integrations here at the left side. Now from here, scroll down and then click on CL integrations here at the bottom. Now from here, you can just type in Zapier here. Click on this one, then click on try it out. Okay, from here, just need to log in. Log into Zapier. Okay, from here, just click on add here. Look for WooCommerce. Okay, click on WooCommerce, and then go back to MailerLite, and then make sure to add a trigger event in your account. So I'll just choose a random event here, then just sign in to your MailerLite. Authorize it. Okay, now after that, click on WooCommerce here at the bottom, and then choose an action event. Yep, an action event, and then I'll just choose a random action event here. So just click on, just sign in your WooCommerce here. Well, I don't have a WooCommerce account, but what you need to do is just click on sign in, then type in your WooCommerce account here, then just click on yes, continue to WooCommerce, and then you just need to complete the test here, and then just click on publish and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.